Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn more food vocabulary in French. So let's go ahead and do it right now. Okay, so if you're interested in learning languages with me, just stick around, subscribe, because in this channel I'm trying to build a community of people who are into learning languages together, and we're learning multiple languages from scratch. In this video will be French, so let's go ahead and do it.
You can put some eggs too. You can also have like du riz.
Okay, so du riz is rice. Du riz.
Des pommes de terre.
Du riz.
Potatoes. Could have that. Ok. Et là, les verbes.
Okay.
Could have that.
The pommes.
Des pommes de terre.
Des pommes de terre. Des pommes de terre.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Okay, des pommes de terre.
Could have that. Ok. Et là,
Et là,
les verbes que j'ai
le verbe
associés, c'est
déjà associé.
once more, prendre.
Prendre.
Alors, prendre goes for the liquid that I haven't mentioned yet. It's coming now. Prendre, for example, de l'eau, water.
Okay, prendre de l'eau.
Prendre de l'eau plate ou
Plate
de l'eau gazeuse, with or without gas.
ou
De l'eau
gazeuse.
plate ou de l'eau gazeuse.
Okay, still or sparkling water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oui, de l'eau, water. Prendre de l'eau plate ou
Prendre de l'eau plate.
de l'eau gazeuse, with
Prendre de l'eau gazeuse.
or without gas. De l'eau plate
De l'eau plate
ou de l'eau gazeuse.
ou de l'eau gazeuse. Sparkling water.
Un soda,
Un soda, that's a soda, okay.
du jus de fruits,
Du jus de fruits. Fruit.
fruit juice, that's what we said before.
Fruit.
And then for the alcoholic drinks, we have de la bière, prendre.
De la bière. Beer.
And then for the alcoholic drinks, we have de la bière,
De la bière.
prendre une bière,
Prendre une bière.
prendre un verre de vin,
Un verre de vin.
prendre une coupe de champagne,
Une coupe de champagne.
prendre, to have.
Prendre
And the expression to have a drink is actually prendre un verre.
prendre un verre. Have a
It
drink.
doesn't mean literally just to take a glass.
Okay.
The expression to have a drink is actually prendre un verre.
Prendre un verre.
It doesn't mean literally just to take a glass. It means just have a drink. Prendre un verre.
Okay. Prendre un verre.
And we saw before like the verb manger to
Manger.
eat, boire to
Boire.
drink,
Drink.
préparer to prepare,
Préparer.
cuisiner to cook,
Cuisiner.
cuisiner,
Cook.
goûter to
Goûter. Taste. Goûter.
It's to try, but
Goûter.
with food to taste.
Goûter.
Exactly
That sounds so fancy.
the same word as the snack.
Okay.
Le goûter.
Le goûter.
D'accord. And to
D'accord,
end of
okay.
this lesson, I thought I would give you some of the numerous like vegetable and fruits that we have, like according to seasons, because it's interesting. For example, in January, you know the months in French. Par exemple, en janvier, février, mars.
Okay. Janvier, février, mars.
c'est
Oh, I
très-
don't remember none of that.
You know the months
Kind
in
of complicated, dude.
Par exemple, en janvier,
Janvier,
février,
février,
mars.
mars. Okay, so January. Oh, I can't even say that in English. January, February, March. February. Can't even say February.
The months in French. Par exemple, en janvier, février, mars.
Okay, janvier, février,
C'est
mars.
très commun
C'est très commun. Oh my
de
god,
manger
dude.
in French. Par exemple, en janvier, février, mars,
Mars.
c'est très commun
C'est très commun
de manger
de manger
des citrons
des citrons,
ou un citron, le citron,
the lemon, un citron,
le kiwi,
le kiwi,
la poire,
la poire,
la pomme,
la pomme, the
la
apple,
clémentine.
la clémentine,
You see the translation
la
here, so
clémentine.
I stick to French for this. Le citron,
le citron,
la clémentine,
la clémentine,
le kiwi,
le kiwi,
la poire,
la poire,
la pomme.
la pomme,
And vegetable-wise, la carotte,
la carotte,
la betterave,
la betterave,
le champignon,
le champignon,
le chou,
le chou,
les épinards.
les épinards. Okay, the spinach. Okay, cabbage and spinach.
These are very-
Okay, hold up.
La betterave,
La betterave, beetroot,
le champignon,
le champignon,
le chou,
le chou, the cabbage,
les épinards.
les épinards, the
These are
spinach.
very common in January, February, March.
Okay.
And here are some fruit and vegetables. I don't want to give you a long, boring list of all the fruit and vegetables. I think you can find this very easily. And if you want me to pronounce some of the word that you've seen and you're not sure about the pronunciation, then I'll make a lesson with like the top most difficult fruit and vegetable noun to pronounce in sentences, in context, everything you want. But I think it's just me giving you an endless list of fruit and vegetable. I can't see the point. So I decided to not do that. I hope you don't mind.
It's okay. We're gonna do that by ourselves later. So right now, like, just give you the basics and like the most commonly used fruits and the most commonly used vocabulary when it comes to food and eating and stuff like that. But as we get better with as we improve. Or as we get better, in French, we're gonna go and look for other videos and try to pronounce. At some point, I also don't want to be just watching the videos. I want to be teaching you guys how to actually say it. But before I teach you, I have to learn it myself, and we can learn and read it together and do a few challenges and some funny challenges or whatever the case may be to test what we learned. But that's gonna be a work in progress. We're gonna work our way up.
Keep going with the seasons. I thought like avril, mai et juin.
Avril, oh my god, avril, mai et juin.
It's very common to go for pamplemousse,
le pamplemousse, le pamplemousse,
la fraise,
la fraise,
la cerise,
la framboise,
ou le melon.
Okay, so grapefruit, strawberry, cherry, raspberry, and melon. Again, let's do it again.
Since I thought like avril, mai et juin, it's very common to go for pamplemousse, le pamplemousse, la fraise, la cerise,
the cherry,
la framboise,
the raspberry,
ou le melon.
the melon.
And vegetable-wise, la tomate, les petits pois,
le petit pois, the green peas,
le haricot vert,
peas. What? I don't even know how to say that.
Vegetable-wise, la tomate, les petits pois,
le petit pois,
haricot vert,
le haricot
ou
vert,
la courgette.
la courgette,
Tomate, petit pois, haricot vert, courgette. And then some that I didn't mention and that are very common are pommes de terre.
She said it.
Pomme de terre.
She said it before. La pomme de terre.
The apple that comes from the earth.
The potato.
From the earth. Today my pronunciation is not coming out fine.
It's okay. We're all imperfect, right? But she's doing really good. That's definitely not her native language, and she's doing amazing. It's okay.
From the earth, Today my pronunciation is not coming out fine.
Okay, la pomme de terre. Okay, how does she say that again?
From the earth de terre. And then some that I didn't mention that are very common are pommes de terre.
Okay, la pomme de terre.
Pomme de terre.
La pomme de terre.
From the earth. La mangue.
The mango, la mangue.
Because I love this one. L'ananas, a bit
l'ananas. What?
more tropical.
Pineapple.
Et la banane, bien sûr.
Pineapple. La banane.
Okay. Orange also.
L'orange.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
The orange. L'orange.
Banane. And then
l'orange.
I think that I gave you some of the fruit and vegetable. Again, easy for you to find like a PDF or anything that would like give you all the fruit and vegetable.
Yes. We're gonna go through all of it, guys.
If you have some pronunciation problems and you want me to really go specifically back to some of them, please ask for it and I will make a video about that. Okay? We're done with food. More or less. I hope this was useful.
Okay.
Practice everything, pronunciation and spelling, thanks to the exercises you'll.
Yes. So that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, we're on this journey together. So we're gonna be learning many words together. We're gonna try to spell it. We're gonna try and repeat the videos. And again, if you do like this type of content, please don't forget to subscribe and stick around because we're going to be learning many languages together. If you have anything to say, any criticism, any video suggestions or whatever the case may be, let me know down here. I'll be very happy to introduce that to the channel so we can all grow together and hopefully we can learn some languages together. And just keep that in mind that I'm learning languages as being an adult already. because now I'm 25 years old. So I'm not learning a language when I'm 10 years old or 5 years old. I'm actually learning the hard way, which is what we have to go through when we are adults. So I hope you can use my story so you can learn from it, and don't give up just because somebody's telling you that it's harder for you to learn a language when you're older, or those kinds of things, because people, they tend to discourage you with everything that you do. But if it's something that you want to do and you believe in it, doesn't even matter what age you are right now. Okay, what age you are. So you could be like 30, 40, 20, 50, doesn't really matter. As long as you want to do it, just put yourself out there and train, you're gonna get it. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.